What's up guys, my name is Leonard F. Gado, and for those new to my channel, please subscribe if you want to subscribe my channel, and if not, it's okay also. So I see this video from a friend who also reacted on this, and this was recitation. I don't know, because there was a little girl was reciting. No, let's find out what this video is all about. This actually 6 minutes a recitation from a young girl. Let's find out. This is video from Indonesia. Let's find it now.
Naila, sehat?
Alhamdulillah.
Kak Irfan dengar katanya kamu bisa itu ya, Asmaul Husna hafal?
What?
Boleh nggak Kak Irfan dengar?
Wow.
Ya Allah, ya Rahman, ya Rahim.
She got a wonderful voice.
Malik, ya Kudus, ya Salam, ya Mu'min, ya Muhaimin, ya Aziz, ya Jabbar, ya Mutakabbir, ya Khaliq, ya Bari, ya Musawwir, ya Ghaffar, ya Qahhar, ya Wahhab, ya Razzaq, ya Fattah, ya Alim, ya Qabid, ya Basir, ya Khafid, ya Rafi', ya Mu'id, ya Mudhir, ya Sami', ya Basir, ya Hakam, ya Adil, ya Latif, ya Khabir, ya Halim, ya Azim, ya Ghafur, ya Syakur, ya Ali, ya Qabir, ya Khafif, ya Muqim, ya Hasid, ya Jalil, ya Karim, ya Rafiq, ya Mujib, ya Wasi', ya Hakim, ya Wadud, ya Majid, ya Ba'id, ya Syahid, ya Haqq, ya Wakil, ya Qawi, ya Matin, ya Wali, ya Hamid, ya Muhsi, ya Mubadi, ya Mu'id, ya Muhyi, ya Mumit, ya Hayy, ya Qayyum, ya Wajid, ya Majid, ya Wahid, Ahad, ya Samad, ya Qadir, ya Muqtadir, ya Muqaddim, ya Muakhir, ya Awal, ya Akhir, ya Zahir, ya Batin, ya Wali, ya Muta'ali, ya Bar, ya Tawwab, ya Muntaqim, ya Afu, ya Rauf, ya Malikul Mulk, ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, ya Musyid, ya Jami', ya Ghani, ya Mu'min, ya Mani, ya Allah, ya Nafi, ya Nur, ya Hadid, ya Badi', ya Baqi, ya Warid, ya Rashi', ya Sabur, ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah.
Dari mulut polusnya ini disebutkan sifat-sifat Allah. Apa yang bisa kita sombongkan? Kita hanya sebagai salah satu yang diciptakan. Masih mau sombong, masih mau menantang Allah. Ukuran dunia saja di tata surya hanya kecil dan kita tinggal di dalam. Tapi kadang ada kesombongan, kita merasa sudah hebat, sudah kuat, bahkan kadang sampai menantang Allah. Sekali lagi terima kasih. Terima kasih ya. Kita kembali sesaat di Hafiz Indonesia.
My God, why I'm crying, man? Why I'm crying? I almost, I don't know. This is insane. This is very terrific. This is very terrible. This is very unusual kind of. I reacted. There's a lot of recitation from different kinds of Muslims, from my Muslims friends, and this was I seen from our reactor also, and he react on it, and I try to react also now. Oh my God! I think my eyes are I tear now. I don't want to cry. If you are a kind-hearted individual, then you will be carried away by this kind of emotion, especially the child as disabled. I saw in her eyes that he has difficulties in her eyes also. She sang very well. She sang very well. I don't know what is kind of this event. What is this? What this entitled as Hafiz Indonesia 2018. Hafalan Almaul Husna Kaila Biking Satu Studio Menangis. Yes, maybe this is from May 17, 2018. So this was new. For this year, and I'm so glad that I have given a chance to act on this, especially in Indonesia, because I have a lot of friends from Indonesia. I was definitely cried on this very emotional. What can I say, man? What can I say? Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thanks for giving a time to watch this. I'm so very proud for the young girl. Also, it's not my intention to cry here, but fortunately I was cried. I was scared away. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you subscribe my channel if you like my channel for more videos about Islam recitation, about Indonesian most trending videos. Please feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.